Hey y'all, it's CJ. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. So today my video is on cloth diapering for beginners. So I've been doing cloth diapering for a couple weeks and I like it. So I'm gonna tell you about the different brands I have and how to do it on a budget without spending a whole lot of money. So first diaper I have is by Kinder Cloth. So this is their AWJ, which is air wicking jersey. And if you can look at the material, it's breathable and it keeps the pee from sticking to the baby's skin. And then this is Nerdy Mama's. So this is a pocket diaper. You put the diaper, the insert in this pocket right here, which is always called a pocket diaper. This is a cover from Nerdy Mama's. So you see that material? So the baby pees on the insert, you can just wipe this down and keep using it. This, if the baby pees, it's more than likely going to get on this, so you're going to have to wash this. But this, you won't have to wash this right away, which is cool. So, and it comes with the double gussets, and with this one, it doesn't. So that's the difference right there. And then, got this insert off of Amazon. It's supposed to be a bamboo insert, and it this is the shape of it. And then this is Nerdy Mama's insert. I washed and dried it. Between Kinder and Nerdy, I have one hemp insert and one bamboo insert, and I gotta be sure, but I think this is the bamboo insert, the hemp insert, and the bamboo is a little more softer, but this is like the material of it. And like you can see the difference with these. And then green or something like that, this is their pocket diapers. And this is, like I said, the pocket. So I got 6 of these, 6 bamboo inserts, and 1 wet bag. And the wet bag is just to store the diapers in until it's washed. And all this was like $30, which is not bad. So this is a bamboo insert. So, and you just lay the diaper like that, the insert like that, and there you go. And then I bought me some bamboo liners to catch the poop, so I can A, throw it away or flush it down the toilet, whatever is your preference. So, We Green Cup. So this is the name. And I got like 6 others, like green, blue, black, silver, like a gold color, and I love it. But you could definitely like look at, like, this is like a set material and this is not, and this is like in the middle, I guess. So for inserts, just look for anything that's bamboo, hemp, or anything. And microfiber, you don't want a microfiber insert. A lot of people say they're very absorbent, but you cannot put microfiber against the baby's skin. Like, it's just So make sure you just do your research and find out what's best for you. But and Alva Baby, they have like where you get like 10 diapers from 30 and up, like between $30 and $50 for 10 diapers, which is bomb. Like, you're not gonna find a cheaper brand. And then if you want to go to the more high end, is Nora's Nursery. Alva Baby and Nora's Nursery, they go hand in hand. And I watched a video and it was like saying they're like by the same manufacturer. It's just like one is a Chinese company. And like, if you can't afford Nora's Nursery, get you some Alva Baby, because that's gonna be my next step. I thought this was Alva Baby, but when I clicked it, I didn't realize it wasn't that no more, which is cool. But yeah, so with the cloth diaper, I actually love it, and he seems more comfortable. He used to get bad diaper rashes. I just noticed one, and I noticed it when I switched him back to the disposable diaper, so I couldn't be sure if it was from the cloth diaper or the disposable. But make sure you get you some cloth diaper rash cream. You gotta get diaper rash cream specifically for cloth diapers so it doesn't stain the insert. So he's done pooped and peed, and you see no color discoloration from it or nothing. So make sure y'all find a wash routine that works for you. I haven't got one down pat yet, but make sure you find a detergent that works really well. But yeah, so I thought I was gonna love the covers, but I realized the covers are really big, so the insert doesn't come all the way over here. So I notice he does get some poop on the side, but I like it because I don't have to change it as much during the day. With these, I actually like the pockets a little more just because it fits them well, and like everything just stays in the middle. But yeah, cloth diapering for beginners is simple, it's easy. Don't let people try to discourage you from it. Like, it's simple and easy. And what you can do, you can put an insert right here. Then you can also put an insert in the pocket so it's more absorbent. I haven't figured out how to, I might need to get some heavy wetter for the nighttime because he will pee through these. So I need to figure out my nighttime routine. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and comment button. Don't forget to subscribe. So important fact to note, some cloth diapers go from size 6 to 33. Like the last regreen diaper goes from 6 to 33. The others go from like 8 to 45 if I'm not mistaken. So look at the weight. The baby can use it up until they're potty training, and you can use them for your second or third child.